Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you have or if you want to remove one of your objects or some objects on your projects, on your video, so it's very easy. Just tap on your video that we want to edit. This one, for example, I want to remove or I want to hide the chopsticks. So it's very easy. Just tap on your video and then make duplicate here. This one, duplicate, and then tap on the first video and make overlay. So you can see there are two video here. The first one, the original, and the second one is the overlay. So tap on the overlay and then insert the mask. This one, a mask. So try to use the rectangle and try to adjust the size here. Try to adjust on the blanks in the blank space like this, and then tap on checklist, and let's cover the chopstick with this overlay. Try to adjust the size, and done. As you can see, the chopstick is gone now. Let's tap play button here, so you can hide or you can remove the object. So please free to try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.